Papa! Papa! Papa!
Hey, I'm driving.
Kayla!
No.
Kayla! Say hi! Evan, say hi! Chris, say hi!
Say hi. Say to Daddy. Say hi, Dad.
What's today?
Happy Father's Day, Daddy. How about that together? 1, 2, 3. Happy Father's Day.
Thank you.
I can't say it.
2016. About time we start swimming.
Devin. Nobody's allowed to touch that.
I can't believe how much work this ended up being.